Hi guys, here we are at the end of 2021. For us, as probably for many of you, this year has been very challenging. Despite the difficulties, there have been also some great moments here at Home Cooking Adventure. Now it is a good time to see and look back on our journey on 2021. Here are all the recipes we have enjoyed sharing with you during the year. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these recipes or which one is your favorite. If you appreciate our content and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell and give us a thumbs up. The Home Cooking Adventure team and I wish you all the best and let's hope for a better 2022. Thank you for being with us. See you next year. There is much more to come. Bye!